When we call Mary the Mother of God, we express our faith that Mary became the Mother of God who became man. So simply said, Mary is the mother of Jesus. When we say that Mary is the mother of the church, we recognize in faith that Mary is our mother too. Because we belong to the church, we are Christ's disciples, and therefore we are sons and daughters of Mary too. We are not her biological children. There is only one biological child of Mary, and that is Jesus. We are, by virtue of our baptism, adopted children of God, and therefore children of Mary. Kaya pwede natin din tawagin ang ating mahal na Birhen bilang ating ina. At yan ang ipinagdiriwang ng simbahan ngayon. Si Maria, ang ina ng simbahan. Mary, the mother of the church. Mary, our mother. But what does a mother do? How does Mary demonstrate her motherhood? Number one, she is our mother because she protects us, especially against evil. When we are tempted, we go to Mary. When we struggle, we go to Mary. When we are in danger, we call on Mary's name. Because we know that our mother, Mary, just like any mother here, they aim to protect their children. Kaya nga ang maraming ina, handang masaktan, handang magbuwis ng buhay para lamang mapangalagaan ang kanilang mga anak. Kumisan nga, kapag nagkakasakit ang anak, ang panalangin nila sa Diyos ay, Lord, sana ako na lamang ang magkasakit. That is motherhood. Mary is our mother because Mary protects us. But my dear brothers and sisters, not always a mother can protect her child. Just like what we heard in the gospel, Mary was not able to prevent the crucifixion of her son. I'm sure Mary, if she had the power, would have prevented the suffering of her son. No one, no mother would wish her children to suffer. No mother would wish her children to be in pain. Pero walang nagawa ang mahal na Birhen. When she could no longer protect her son, she stood by her son. She did not abandon her son. She did not leave her son alone. That is the second way of expressing or demonstrating Mary's motherhood. If she would not be able to protect us, she will stand by our side. Hindi tayo iiwan ng mahal na Birhen. Makikita niya ang ating mga hinagpis. Mararamdaman niya ang ating mga dinaramdam. Gugustuhin niyang ito'y mawala. Pero hindi sa lahat ng pagkakataon ay magagawan ito ng paraan. Pero sa mga sandaling tayo ay nahihirapan, tayo ay sinusubok, tayo ay tinutukso, alam natin, hindi tayo nag-iisa. Mahal tayo ni Maria at hindi niya tayo iiwanan. Those two things, she protects, she stands by us. Let us be grateful to the Lord for giving us Mary as our mother. And let us try our very best to be called, to be worthy, to be called her sons and daughters. Amen.